Hi, my name is David Schmeichel, a global solution architect here at Brocade. Today I'm going to be discussing with you some of our different manageability products, such as Data Center Fabric Manager, also known as DCFM. So when you start looking at the data center as a whole, with the amount of data growth, the additional complexity of some of the different solutions within the data center, manageability is going to become a vital component within the orchestration of the data center. So when you start looking at virtualization on the server, cloud computing within the data center, being able to manage these, the infrastructure end to end is going to be a critical component to the usability, the functionality of the management of the products within your data center. So DCFM is really a combination of multiple products from Brocade combined into one. And these products have been proven in some of the world's largest data centers around the globe. So when we look at DCFM, it now has a back-end database, which is new to DCFM, which allows you to do more performance, trending analysis, be able to go back and mine data, which is going to help you with some of your capacity planning down the road to see some of your overall data growth or performance growth within your network, whether it's the LAN or the SAN within your infrastructure. Also, the usability of DCFM continues to grow because a lot of customers are being asked to do more with less. So we've had to increase or improve the usability of DCFM. So we've added a lot of tools and wizards around some of our advanced functionality, whether it's encryption, disaster recovery with extension solutions, as well as some of the emerging protocols around FCOE to make the administrator's job a lot easier to provide these tools and wizards. So another vast component within DCFM, again, is to provide the end-to-end management of the infrastructure. So if we look at a server, there's really two sides of it. One going out on the network side up to the application and to the client. On the other side, you have a CNA or potentially an HPA down into the storage environment. So DCFM is going to be able to provide that view or topology look or the tree of the components on both sides of the infrastructure. So now you're going to be able to use one management tool to do end-to-end management with your infrastructure and be able to dive deep into it. So not just looking at a physical wire, but being able to look at flows or bottleneck detection on a physical wire. And this is going to become critical when you start looking at virtualization infrastructures or cloud computing. As these virtual machines start moving from a physical server to physical server, you're going to want your management orchestration to be able to move with those virtual machines to go back in and do a lot of configuration. We just learned a little bit about DCFM. There's a lot more components within DCFM. If you'd like more information, feel free to contact Brocade. Look at our website, www.brocade.com. As well, you can always reach out to your local sales rep or technical consultant. Thank you.